Karibu! Welcome back to Miss Phoebe Learns Swahili with AI. Today, we're learning helpful Swahili phrases you can use in the classroom. To say teacher in Swahili, say mwalimu. Repeat after me, mwalimu. To say student, say mwanafunzi. Try it with me, mwanafunzi.
To tell someone to sit down, you say, keti chini. Let's say it, keti chini.
To say stand up, say simama. Repeat after me, simama. To say listen, you say sikiza. Try it with me.
Sikiza.
Let's practice. Sikiza.
Ndiyo mwalimu,
Simama.
nimesimama.
Review time. Mwalimu, mwanafunzi, keti chini, simama. Sikiza. Great work.
You did amazing. Like and subscribe so you don't miss lesson 4. Numbers 1 through 10. Tutao nana tena.
Asante sana, rafiki yangu. You learn new words again today.